I'm making spaghetti out of the back of my car tonight, so. And I'm Italian, so this is a lot of pressure. It's 6:30 and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm getting a little hangry, so we're just gonna get this rolling. Hey Dad, I know that you called me earlier and told me that if I used canned spaghetti sauce that you'd disown me, but today's my last day without a dad, I guess. Okay. All right, like I said, spaghetti's on the menu and also garlic bread, so this is... We're getting fancy, all right? This is very exciting. My only hang up is that I have to do this all in one saucepan, including boiling the noodles. So I think I'm going to approach this by boiling the noodles first, because to me that seems like it would take the longest. So let's boil some noodles, okay? Blue, should we give this a taste test first? Because I'm like starving. Blue, would you like to taste the bread? Holy cow, that is so good. A little appetizer. All right, let's boil some noodles. Step one. Wow, this is not that big of a pan. I thought for some reason in my head it was bigger, so good luck to us. R.I.P. us, Blue, you know? Oh. We're already hot, I guess. I feel like this isn't gonna stay though, so... put something under this burner because this is not even. What can I shove under a burner, Blue? What can I do to make this even? Somebody help me. You know, we're kind of doing something. Come on, cutting boards. Let's level out the burner. You know what? It's janky, but it's level, so that's good. That's good, that's good. I just thought of the fact that I have to add in noodles and it's gonna spill over. You know what, I'm just gonna dump some of this out. Blue, watch it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh man, we better hope it does. Okay, 7 to 8 minutes is how long you are supposed to cook the pasta. But what if the pasta is being made in a saucepan in the back of a car? Does that change? Does that change the time at all? Because we've got boilage happening now. Here's the cutting board situation. Honestly, it leveled it out pretty well. I don't feel like I really have enough water in there, but you have to account for the pasta, so this is all a learning experience. Water is boiling. You know, the good thing about this is I only need a one-person portion, so I really don't need to cook that much spaghetti. Set a timer for 7 minutes. Cool. Thanks, Siri. All right, move, Bubby. How am I supposed to strain this? That's another thing I haven't figured out yet. Oh no. Come on, pasta. The one thing that has been true so far for everything I've cooked in the back of this car is I always do not have faith in it and it always turns out well, so let's just hope this is another one of those things. I need you to like simmer, not boil, you know? Like just a little. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. If this turns out, this is gonna be honestly, like, we're gonna be unstoppable, Blue, if we can make spaghetti in the back of the Subaru. Do you not realize we could make spaghetti? Blue, if this turns out, this is gonna be nuts. I'm gonna start getting stuff out for the sauce because these noodles are apparently almost done. Hold on, bub. Cherry bubbly is the bubbly of choice today. New flavor. It cracks me up that these tops always say something different. This one says heyo. And that these sips don't lie. That's so funny. Wanna say. It tastes like cherry cough syrup. Oh, shut up. We're not done yet. Maybe I should taste it. It is vegetable pasta, which I think vegetable pasta cooks differently than normal pasta, right? I feel like that's real. Yeah, that needs way more time. Here. I'm gonna crank the heat on that a little bit. Cook! How am I gonna strain this? Why did I not think of that when I was planning this out? Probably because I can't carry a strainer when car camping. There's not room. If you can make spaghetti in the back of a car, you can make anything. Do you guys know what song is stuck in my head today? It's Careless Whisper by George Michaels. Or is it a single Michael? Is it not Michaels? Is it George Michael? Whatever. Whoever he is, that song, oh my gosh, it's like Two Phones but worse. We could have been so good together. I am the songbird of my generation. I wish that we could lose this crowd. You guys, I don't feel like these are cooking any better. Let me test here. Come here, noodle. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This isn't bad. Okay, actually, yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, I'd say those are done. Down here. Good boy. Alright. Now how in the heck am I gonna strain these? Oh my gosh, I could use a cutting board. Maybe? I literally don't trust the pan weight. My pan is breaking. I knew I did not trust the weight. I need a new pan. This cheap crap does not... Can't stand the spaghetti test. Cool! Blue. We just made literally spaghetti noodles in the back of the car. Alright. I'm gonna set these to the side while we make the sauce. I just made pasta noodles in the back of my Subaru. Like, what? That's nuts. Okay. On to the sauce. I was lazy and bought pre-chopped vegetables, so I'm just gonna saute those first. I need my scissors. Haha. Alright, peppers, onions, mushrooms. I'll probably put the sausage in here now too. Because why not? In goes sausage. love these kitchen scissors. Oh my gosh, I never need a knife again. So easy. All right. I also am not a chef, so I have no clue when I'm supposed to season stuff. I just do it as soon as it hits the pan. Like, I'm gonna let this cook down and then I'm gonna add the pasta sauce. Pasta sauce. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Holy cow. It is pasta sauce time. Sorry, Dad, I hope you forgive me. It's funny that we all, like, my whole family acts so proud to be Italian. And I think we're like a quarter. Like, it's not even that much. Oh my gosh. Don't do this to me. You know I have baby hands. Stop. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Is this what's gonna be what ends the video? I can't open the frickin' pasta sauce. No! Shut up. Open sesame. Are you freaking kidding me? Blue, can you open this? Shut up. Oh my gosh, you tightened this, the Hulk? Ugh. Victory is mine. All right, you simmer. Let me figure out garlic bread. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know what I finally got? I forgot I had it, or I would have just used it on the vegetables. If you've been watching all of these, you know my struggle for getting the non-stick spray, so I'm glad I finally got it. Well then maybe the garlic bread won't be so bad. Little garlic salt in the pan. I wish that I could lose this crown. Maybe it's better this way. Please stay. I never wanna dance again. Guilty feet ain't got no rhythm. That is insane how good that is. Alright, you know what? I think this is about done, so let me transfer. This is kind of like a hot mess of a video. I feel kind of stressed out. Oh my gosh. That's nuts! I just made spaghetti in the back of my car. Okay. I'm gonna transfer the rest out of this into Tupperware, and then we've got to get going on garlic bread before this cools down. So, this is a fancy meal. Alright, I'm gonna try a medium heat. Maybe some non-stick spray, finally, for the first time this entire time. And I think what I'm gonna do, because this is already like Italian bread with like cheese on it and stuff, I think I'm literally just gonna like cut this in half and try to like toast it as best as I can. It's pretty soft bread though. All right, garlic bread, come on now. We could have been so good together. How you guys doing? What you up to? Me? Oh, I'm just making garlic bread in the back of my car. You? Oh, you're making dinner in your house? Yeah, nice. Oh, it's doing something. it's doing something. You know, for being like a one little camp stove burner, this thing is powerful. Like, I don't think I've ever used this on full heat ever. This is literally garlic bread. It's like, it's grilling right now. And then I'm literally just gonna throw garlic salt on it and call it a day. Like, what? Oh my gosh, okay, I think it's time. I'm like, I wasn't emotionally prepared for this. All right, garlic salt, here we go. In my mind, that constitutes it as garlic bread, okay? Non-cooked spray as butter and garlic salt as the garlic. Are you kidding? That's a full spaghetti and garlic bread dinner. Nice. Now when we go get lost in the mountains, Blue, we'll still be eating well. Come on, fork. Heck yeah, dude. All right, let's do this. We could have been so good together. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. All right, you guys, taste test. I can't believe I just made this. This is nuts. What should I try first? Maybe the garlic bread? What? Wow. I'm not even lying. That's like probably one of the best garlic breads I've ever had. I'm not even joking. It's probably just the bread that I got, but holy cow, that's good. You want to try some, Blue? It's Blue approved too. This is amazing. You guys, this is just proof that you can literally do anything on the road. Literally anything. You can cook a full spaghetti dinner in the back of your car. The only thing that's like a little undercooked is the bell pepper, but everything else is good. All right, you guys, we got like 20 minutes to clean up before we lose all of our sunlight, so we're gonna get going, but thanks for being here for another dinner endeavor. So comment below what you think we should make next, because this is getting fun. Recipes are getting more complicated and they keep turning out good, so I'm hype. Yeah, Bubby, I know, we still gotta feed you and play fetch. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!